Welcome to Life in the Age of AI, the podcast that explores how the next generation is rewriting the rules.
It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? That in just a few years, a huge chunk of the workforce could be quietly replaced by a piece of software that costs $20 a month. Terrifying, yes, but also entirely predictable if you're actually paying attention to what's happening right now. We talk to creators, freelancers, and business owners every single day here at Koto. And the entire conversation has shifted. It's no longer just about, how do I get more people to notice my work? It's become, how do I survive this shift? Because the divide we are looking at over the next decade isn't just the classic rich versus poor anymore. It's fundamentally going to be a divide between people who are actively trained to think and people who have completely lost the capacity to think deeply at all. We are living in a distraction economy. A champion's mindset, someone who is sharp, lucid, efficient, is becoming incredibly rare. Instead, so many people have let themselves be completely seduced by short-form videos, binge-watching TV series, and endlessly scrolling through memes. It's gotten to the point where reading a single text-heavy page makes people feel like their brains are going to explode from boredom. I just deserve a break. Right? That's the universal excuse. You work a standard, exhausting day, you come home, you collapse on the couch, you pull out your phone, and you scroll. And I get it. Life is exhausting. It is genuinely hard to make a living and keep your head above water. But reality doesn't care if we're tired. The reality is that while you are scrolling to decompress, the real world is shifting at a brutal, unforgiving speed. Artificial intelligence is already writing, painting, designing, analyzing entire businesses, and, let's be perfectly honest, doing it better and faster than the average tired employee. We aren't just talking about factory lines or repetitive data entry anymore. We are talking about accountants, journalists, translators, even lawyers. Tasks that used to require years of specialized schooling and gatekeeping are being done in seconds. Which brings us to a really uncomfortable prediction. In 5 years, millions of people will suddenly realize they no longer have a single monetizable skill. Zero. The things they were paid a premium to do will be entirely automated. And when that happens, when the rug gets pulled out from under them, what's the natural human reaction? They'll complain. They will blame the system. They'll blame capitalism. They'll blame the tech companies. They'll blame life itself for being unfair. But is it unfair? Or is it just evolution? The people who will eventually say they were defeated by technology, did the technology defeat them? Or did they defeat themselves by choosing comfort every single day instead of training? It's the comfort trap. We are way past the era where just having a good attitude and showing up on time was enough to secure your future. The survivors in this new economy are the ones who actually know how to learn. They know how to adapt. They know how to ruthlessly manage their time, their energy, their attention, and their money. If you take an average person today and say, hey, I need you to sit in a quiet room with zero distractions and stay completely focused for 45 minutes to learn how to use this new tool, what happens? It's too hard. I can't. I'm just not a tech person. But that same person can accidentally waste 4 hours watching a true crime documentary, basically waiting for some magical moment where their life just clicks into place, waiting for someone to come and save the day. And no one is coming. That's the hardest pill to swallow. No one is coming to save your career or hand you an audience. But I promise you, this isn't just doom and gloom, because humanity has been here before. Think back to the 1980s. The personal computer was just starting to enter corporate offices. Before that, you had entire floors of people typing on physical typewriters, managing massive physical filing cabinets, doing bookkeeping by hand in giant paper ledgers. Suddenly, a beige box with a glowing green screen gets dropped on a desk, and the panic was the same. It's going to take our jobs. And did it? Yes, it did. The typing pools disappeared. The manual filing clerks lost their roles. But what happened next? Knowing how to use a computer didn't ruin the workforce. It became the baseline requirement to participate in the economy. You don't put, "I know how to use a computer" on your resume anymore. If you don't know how to use one, you simply don't get through the front door. It's an unspoken expectation. It's like breathing. And that is exactly what artificial intelligence is right now. It is the 1980s computer revolution, but on fast forward. It's not this scary, mystical entity that's going to rule the world. It's a tool. It's the new keyboard. So if you are terrified of losing your job to this tech, you shouldn't be looking at it as an unbeatable enemy. You should be looking at it as the new literacy. Humanity is basically dividing into two distinct camps right now. The architects of this new digital era and those who will be fired by a cheap monthly subscription. And the beautiful, terrifying truth is that you get to choose which camp you are in. Either you adapt or you disappear from the economic landscape. You become invisible, unimportant, replaceable. If you are a creator listening to this right now and you feel a tightness in your chest or you feel a little defensive or angry, that's actually a really good sign. It means you still have blood in your veins. It means the complacency hasn't completely taken over. If you feel that rebellion inside you when I say you might be replaceable, use it. Get up, learn, push through the sheer discomfort of being a beginner again. We hate being bad at things. We hate sitting down with a new writing assistant or a new video generation tool and not understanding how to make it work immediately. It's bruising to the ego. But you have to overcome that laziness, that fear of looking foolish. You have to learn to sit with yourself in silence, facing a problem, without escaping into cheap distractions the second it gets difficult. Because if you make videos, write newsletters, or build digital products, the system is changing. It used to reward sheer volume. Now, if software can generate 1,000 average posts a minute, average is completely worthless. The tactical, repetitive stuff? Let the machines have it. They don't get bored. If a program can write a decent article or edit a video in 10 seconds, your job is no longer to just write the article or make the cuts. Your job is to know which article needs to be written to connect with human beings. Your job is to provide the soul, the perspective, the unique human messiness that a machine can't replicate. You have to elevate your thinking. You have to move from the person playing second violin to the director of the orchestra. But you can only step into that director role if you understand the instruments. The future isn't going to have any mercy for the distracted. The world doesn't owe anyone a paycheck or an audience just because they exist. It owes you nothing, but it offers you everything if you are willing to step up and become irreplaceable. Your attention is your most valuable asset right now. If you can control your attention, you can learn the tools. If you can learn the tools, you become the architect. If you can't, well, you fade out. It's simple, brutal, and entirely in our own hands. The choice is yours. But if you want to stay ahead as a modern architect, Koto gives you the digital edge you need. Try it today. Koto is a powerful AI app for professional publishers to create, share, manage, and grow a business. It comes with modern tools to build websites, communities, publish, automate, collaborate, and offer paid products and subscriptions to members. An AI app to rule them all, an AI app to bring them all together. Make it matter.
Visit koto.so to download your new 24/7 team of agentic workers today.